back to Crock-Pot Empire. I'm Kimberly Bishop, and welcome to my kitchen. Today we're going to be making home-style Italian meatballs in the Crock-Pot Express multi-cooker. I'm also going to show you how to bake them in case you want to use the oven. So come on and join me. Let's get cooking. For our meatball mixture, we're going to use 1 pound of ground beef and 1 pound of ground sausage. And now let's season our meat. 1 tablespoon of minced garlic, a 1/4 cup of freshly chopped parsley, but if you'd like to use dried, 2 tablespoons will be just fine. 1 tablespoon of minced onion. You can also use a medium-sized onion that's been diced or grated. I'm just not a fan of that texture in my meatballs. A teaspoon of salt and a 1/2 teaspoon of pepper. 1 teaspoon of Italian seasoning. 1/2 cup of finely grated Romano or Parmesan cheese. And if the meat from our meatballs isn't the star of the show, then our breadcrumbs definitely are. We have a 1/2 cup that's been soaking in a 1/3 cup of milk for about 15 minutes, which is going to be the agent that helps everything bind together. And now we need 2 eggs to make these meatballs light and airy, so we're going to crack them open. Egg number 2, boom. And now it's time to get in there and combine all those ingredients. Just mush it all together. Don't think of what you're mushing. And when those ingredients are combined, it's time for meatballs. Now, the biggest question is, how are we going to cook our meatballs? We have 4 different options. And since this is an express crock video, we'll start there. We're going to add some pasta sauce to the bottom of our pot. And then we're just going to add our meatballs right on top of the sauce. Cover with a little bit more sauce. Add about a 1/2 cup of water to the bottom of your jar to get some extra sauce out and pour along the sides. If you wanted to take it one extra step further, you could add some olive oil, sear the meatballs prior to putting the sauce in. On both sides, you can do it. Flip over for me. There you go. Until you get a nice brown on both sides. Turn off the saute function and then add our sauce. Add a 1/2 cup of water to the sides. Put the lid on lock. Place the valve to sealing. Press the steam button and adjust the time to 12 minutes. And press start. When the timer goes off, do an immediate pressure release. Open the lid. Check to make sure the internal temperature is at 165 degrees. Stir, and you have homemade Italian meatballs. Oh my gosh, I need a meatball sub right now. You can also slow cook them. Just press the slow cook button. It will auto-populate to 4 hours on high and press start. Or you can cook them low and slow for 8 hours by pressing slow cook, adjusting the temp pressure button to low, and pressing start. And like I said earlier, there's 4 ways to cook these meatballs. And if you prefer the oven, preheat the oven to 425, put them on a greased baking pan, and cook for 20 to 25 minutes depending upon how big your meatballs are. I ended up having to add an additional 5-minute cooking time to reach the desired temperature. But man, oh man, are they worth the wait. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up and hit that subscribe button to become a part of the Crock-Pot Empire family if you haven't already. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you never miss an episode. And let's get social. Come find me on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, and Pinterest at Crock-Pot Empire, where I'm always posting my life, favorite products, and more recipes. Thanks so much for watching. See you right back here next time on Crock-Pot Empire.